Hello again, this is Delta Climber coming to you from Delta Climber Studios, Roblox, and SwordBurst 2. I am here at the 2023 Halloween event and wanted to report to you the best Wendigo meat grinder I have seen so far. This one has been going on for 2 days now. I did not know that it would last that long, but it has, and it is. And this little guy has not gotten any drops yet, but he's getting levels. So if you are below a level 100, you can come to the meat grinder and watch the levels slowly pile on. I think Wendigo gives like 300 experience each, and that's better than you can get at some of the lower level mobs. So here we are, 2023 Halloween event for SwordBurst 2 and Wendigo meat grinder. Just have to do a search and see if you can catch up with it. I don't see anybody's names, which is interesting, except the enraged Wendigo. But we could use some more people here. It never hurts to have more. And if a few more people leave, I see some people really lagging, going slowly, lagging out there. I hope they don't, because Wendigo can incinerate you just like Atheon does. So have fun playing the game, but play it straight. Don't hack. Until next time, hope you get a good drop soon. Arrivederci.
This has been a Delta Climber Studio production.